Is going on, everybody? It's your boy SoFly Trades here, back with another video. And of course, in this video, we have to go over what we're going to be looking for in this next coming week. I've been having computer problems, Streamlab problems, because my memory is getting pretty low. So Streamlab has been giving me problems. I haven't been able to really record like how I want to, but it's fine. I just been trading slow, slow and steady. Um, I have a funded 50K account. I'm up like $500 on that from last week. Just taking it slow, trading MES. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this here. So as you guys can see, we have this big weekly candle here, showing bearish sentiment with volume confirming that bearish sentiment. So for me, on this big boy time frame, the only thing I see here, if we were to look over here, this previous high of this 479 area ish, you can mark that in since that was like a previous high turn support. So honestly, I'd really be wanting price to pull back down to this area, honestly, as far as our bigger time frames are concerned, to see some kind of bounce maybe. We have a big volume candlestick here too on a daily time frame. Not much wicks going on, so it's telling me sellers are really strong here. And the world is just absolutely crazy right now. Israel and Iran and everybody want to blow each other up. So I'm taking puts on pop. You feel me? When the world wants to blow each other up, puts on pop is the way. Remember, whenever the world is so shitty, it's sad to say that it's the best time to make money when the world is shitty. Sad to say. Yeah, let's go to that 4 hour here. Definitely, if you were to take something on this 4 hour, I would look for maybe, if you wanted to take some rejects, it would be in this 499 to 500 area here on SPY as far as rejects are concerned, to take price back down to the downside. Switch this to the hourly because 500 has been this key level here. As you can see, we've been holding it, and it finally break above. I mean break below, and then it come back up to retest it just to reject it. So that 500 area is very key. So I suggest if you guys don't have that area marked out, you should have it marked out because it's a whole psych number, and the market usually reacts to whole psych numbers. But yeah, maybe these lows right here, this 492, if we could break those lows, that would look really good. Yeah, honestly, if we break those lows, I could see us getting a 490. If we break the those 492 lows, I could see us reaching 490. But yeah, as far as basically what I'm looking for next week, it's pretty much it. I like that retest on this 500 area for puts. My price target would probably be in this 494 area, since that's like sort of a gap area, like a small gap area. That 494 area would be good to take profits on. We have some big price targets, which I really like. Because in the beginning of the year, we were kind of just, in this range. But I like that we're opening up, with bigger price targets now. But yeah, I'll definitely be careful on Monday because Monday, it could be a rest day, So I would just be careful on Monday. Wait for some price structure to form to see which direction on that intraday daily time frame that price wants to go, and take price accordingly according to price action. Because like we can make our plans and price can be doing the complete opposite of what we thought it would do, or what we would like it to do. So we just gotta be able to adjust on the fly as a trader. As you guys can see here, this weekly is turning bearish. We have a big boy weekly candlestick on QQQ here. Volume is confirming that candlestick right there, as you guys can see. Volume's confirming that, telling me sellers are actually here. Sellers actually do want to take this. Boom, pop up, bust back down. So I'm seeing a level here. It's like 395 to 400 area. Well, 400, yeah, I definitely, because 400 is this whole psych number. So I'd definitely be looking for plays around that 400 area. Yep. Definitely. That 400 is that whole psych number there. I think we're aiming, I think price might be gunning for that. I know for a fact we have liquidity down here in this area. Maybe we could trigger some more buyers to come in the market. I don't know. We'll have to see. But yeah, trend's flipping. Well, trend has flipped actually on the daily to bearish now since it broke below this 416 here and closed under that. That's signaling for me bearish sentiment. Let's move this down to our 4-hour time frame. So the price has been super duper strong on QQQ. I might look to take more trades on QQQ rather than SPY this week. But I'm liking this this 422 area, or this hold on, let's move down to our 1-hour time frame to break this bad boy. Break it down. Or that 415 area. So, but if we melt from there, where would we could possibly take it to these lows, but that's that 413. So this whole area right here, this whole 410 to 412-ish area, I like. Yep, I like this area. You know, I try to keep it simple as possible when I'm trading. You know, the more indicators and things of that nature that you have, the more information overload you're risking, because you have all these variables you need to think about instead of just making it simple, following price action and volume, because volume is not a lagging indicator. Volume is showing how many participants are in the market at any given time, and it's not a lagging indicator. I don't really like lagging indicators too much. The only real indicators you probably see on my charts, I don't even use this. I'm gonna take pivots probably off, but pivots are usually just a good area to see where price could probably reverse from. Although I don't use them for trades or anything, I just like seeing, you know, if maybe price will reverse at these areas. As you can see here, it hit that pivot, kind of reverse, came up to that pivot, kind of reverse, came up to this pivot, kind of reverse. So, you know, I'm pretty sure there's a way to incorporate that within trading, but you know, I'm daggone mic freaking cut off, but I'm pretty sure there's a way to incorporate that pivot into your trading. But as far as my trading is concerned right now, I don't really need to incorporate it into my trading per se. Not right now, at least. I do like to have it for market sentiment though, because if I see the pivots are one after the other or under, that means we're pretty bearish if pivots are continuously under one another. But yeah, so honestly, I like those retests on this 415 area, seeing as though this is an area that price had a hard time breaking through. Boom, bounced off, boom, broke back through it. So this is support now turned into resistance that I like to see some kind of reaction off of. Obviously, if you know, if we come up, I'd like for us to reject with some kind of you know, price action confirming with volume. And if I'm not really liking how it's looking, and like if it's making higher lows but still not making higher highs, then I'd wait for like a double retest, saying as though like we come up, probably reject a little bit, but come back up again to test it to see if we rejected a breakthrough. Um, so I don't know. Just given how the market shows me its sentiment is going to depend on what I do. If we're very bearish sentiment wise, then I take the first reject with confirmation. But if we're not, if we're like wishy washy a little bit, then I'll wait for the double reject. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into these futures here. So that's basically what I'm looking for on SPY and QQQ. I'm just bringing up my my Apex account. While I'm waiting, let me show you guys. See, this is my this is the Apex account. 50K rhythmic. As you guys can see, this is a PA account. This isn't an eval. I've traded 4 days, made $543. Just so you guys can see, this isn't a I'll go to my eval charts. I don't have any evals right now. PA charts. Boom. This is my performance account that I'm up right now. But I don't think I'm going to be trading this on Monday. Friday was a little bit of a wild ride for me with futures. But yeah, as you guys can see here, PA Apex. One suggestion I have to people that's trading futures is especially if you keep blowing accounts, trade minis. I mean micros, or what is it? MES. MES is is the mini, I think. Yeah, trade minis, man. Like you got to think about it like you're trading on an options account. You know what I mean? Like if you're trading with your own money, say you're trading with $500. Shoot, you telling me you wouldn't want to take $50 a day, an extra $1,000 a month? Like because with these challenge accounts, you're not really getting that whole 50,000 or 100,000. You're paying money to get access to drawdown, basically. Like with my account, I have $2,500 worth of drawdown. So, I'm basically paying my monthly subscription for access to $2,500 worth of drawdown, which is why you don't want to be trading NQ or even ES, unless you've built the cushion in order to do that. You know what I mean? Like you will get there, but you have to build your way there, and that's sometimes we forget that as traders because we feel like it's not enough that we make $50 or something like that, or $100 in a day. But you got to remember, how long would it take you to make $50 at a job? You feel me? Like hours, bruh. So you just got to remember where you are in your trading journey, and stop comparing yourself to other people. Honestly, once you get that in your head, you should be good. But yeah, we got our 60-minute here up on MES. Honestly, from where we are right now on MES, I like rejects around this 5027 area to take short. Honestly, I'd like to take out these lows right here. I have this marked in as the previous low on the 1 hour. It's the same thing over here. Same exact thing. But I usually trade this like I have my 5-minute right here and my 15-minute on this side. So that's just why I have two of the same ones. Um, but yeah, honestly, like we've been having nothing but bearish sentiment, so I'm gonna keep that bearish sentiment. Um, but if we did have some kind of push up on Monday, you could also look for trades around this 5,050 area here on MES. That would be another awesome opportunity to go short. Yeah, that would be very awesome. Not really interested in longs right now until, I don't know. Um, I guess maybe down at this low on the 1 hour, I'd be probably interested in longs, but from the way the market is looking, I don't think, I'm not too confident on taking bounces right now. I'm more confident on going short. Um, but yeah, that wouldn't stop me from going long. If price action showed that, and volume showed that buyers are there, I'm not going to deny that. But as far as what the market has been showing is lately, buyers haven't been that very strong. Sellers have been stronger. So I just want to go with market sentiment. I want to go with the market trend. Remember, the trend is your friend. Um, but yeah, other than that, that's really all I'm gonna be looking for this upcoming week. But I appreciate everybody for tuning in, and I will see you guys on a live video I'll be doing tomorrow morning. Peace.